Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by stripping old debris and rust so seasoning can bond. Use steel wool or a chainmail scrubber until metal shows. Once done, wash with hot water and 1 drop of soap to remove particles, then dry completely. Moisture ruins seasoning. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees F and measure 1 to 2 tablespoons of a high smoke oil. You'll apply a thin coat next. Too much oil leaves sticky residue, so less is better. Now you apply a paper-thin layer of oil over the entire pan, inside and out. Wipe until it looks dry to the touch. Once coated, place the skillet upside down in the oven at 450 degrees F with foil on the rack below to catch drips. Bake for 1 hour so polymerization creates a hard, non-stick layer. After time's up, turn off heat and let the pan cool inside the oven to room temperature before handling or doing another coat. Complete the process by repeating the thin oil and bake cycle 2 to 3 times for a durable black seasoning. Once finished, prime the surface by cooking a fatty food like bacon to build nonstick quickly, then maintain by drying, oiling lightly, and avoiding prolonged tomato or vinegar exposure at first. If the finish becomes sticky, reheat the pan, wipe off excess oil with a paper towel, and bake again at 450 degrees F until the coating hardens. This resets the chemistry and fixes tacky layers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.